The Fenix 8 Pro retains Garmin's hallmark rugged aesthetic, but this time adds a refined touch. Offered in 42mm, 47mm, and 51mm case sizes, it caters to diverse wrist sizes without compromising on robustness. The case integrates a sensor guard and is rated to U.S. military durability standards, offering exceptional protection against shocks, extreme temperatures, and water exposure. New leak-proof inductive buttons replace physical switches, except on the entry-level E edition, enhancing reliability underwater and eliminating ingress points. The watch is certified for recreational diving up to 40m, elevating its outdoor credentials while keeping it sleek enough for everyday wear. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Perhaps the most talked about upgrade is the addition of a choice between Vivid AMOLED and ultra-efficient Memory in Pixel (MIP) displays. The AMOLED variants feature a high-contrast, vibrant panel at 454 by 454 resolution, bright even in direct sunlight, with a redshift mode to preserve night vision. Meanwhile, the solar-charged MIP versions, available in 47mm and 51mm, bring class-leading battery life of up to 48 days thanks to 50% more efficient solar capture. This dual-display strategy blends modern visuals with marathon endurance. Battery longevity is a signature Fenix advantage, and the 8 Pro pushes the envelope further. In smartwatch mode, the AMOLED versions deliver up to 16 days of battery life, while the MIP solar models stretch up to 48 days. For GPS use, you get around 90 hours, MIP solar, or up to 43 hours, AMOLED. A new Endurance GPS mode extends usage up to 150 hours by optimizing power consumption during ultra-long sessions. This makes the Fenix 8 one of the most enduring multi-sport smartwatches for multi-day adventures. A subtle yet potent design change is the new Dynamic Bezel, a touch-sensitive ring around the display that enables scrolling or navigating apps by sliding your finger along it. Combined with the traditional 5-button system, this hybrid input option improves one-handed usability, especially when gloves or water impede touchscreen interaction. It brings a modern twist to Fenix's rugged interface without sacrificing reliability. The Fenix 8 Pro incorporates an upgraded multi-band GNSS chipset that supports multiple satellite systems, GPS, Galileo, Beidou, QZSS, plus Garmin's SatIQ technology. These improvements deliver faster, more precise positioning, especially in challenging environments like dense forests or mountainous terrain. The watch also supports position enhancement, a feature that improves location tracking accuracy post-activity by leveraging extra satellite data. New to the Fenix lineup is certified dive functionality. The watch now includes a depth sensor and supports scuba and apnea diving to 40m. When water pressure increases beyond a threshold, the watch automatically prompts dive mode. While lacking full dive computer certification, its metrics, such as depth, duration, and surface interval recommendations, are a welcome inclusion for recreational water sport users. Fenix 8 Pro now supports voice interactions directly from the wrist with a built-in mic and speaker. You can make and receive short calls, invoke Siri or Google Assistant, and record voice notes. A local, offline voice assistant enables basic commands like starting workouts or toggling features without needing your phone. While audio is